Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of My Perfumes. House of My Perfumes is another Middle Eastern perfume house from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 30 years, but lately they've been making amazing fragrance, especially for a price. And this one is particular from their higher tier or luxury lineup. Is called the Arabiyat Prestige, and this one in particular called Cranberry Musk. It's called Cranberry Musk, 100 ml eau de parfum, and is targeted unisex. This one in United Kingdom you can find it under £40. If you can't find it in your area and you're interested, my perfumes ship globally, and obviously you have to pay the shipping, but they are accessible. So it's another cylindrical box with nice design on it, very thick cardboard. Attention to detail is always amazing. So this one is sent to me by My Perfumes to review. This review is not sponsored, it's not affiliated, it's just pure information for you guys. Okay, let's go. Sorry about the noise. So, very nice. Thick cardboard, and it opens like this, and the bottle is cranberry color, which is funny. The last one was blueberry, which was a blue color, and this one is so cranberry, and obviously is a cranberry color or red color. So the bottle is very nice design to it. It's very heavy. The overall very nice presentation. The cap is got the details and very heavy, and the atomizer is gold and modern. In here we go. Very good atomizer. This Arabiyat Prestige line, the atomizers are fantastic. Okay, so Cranberry Musk by Arabiyat Prestige, 100 ml eau de parfum, targeted unisex. And here we go. How is the smell? First sniff, first impression. Here we go. Ooh, so first thing it hits me is the fruitiness. Obviously it says cranberry and it's very fruity. And it's sweet, so this is very sweet. Again, you need to have a sweet tooth like me. I love my sweet fragrance, especially in the cooler weather like now. We are in the middle of autumn. From 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, at the moment is around 8 to 9. It's very sweet, but it's done very well. You know, everything is in right place, in the right amount. The sweetness is not running away. It's just amazing, you know. So I can smell florals in here, definitely some rose, some jasmine, a little bit on the watery side as well. Not much, but a little bit watery, not oceanic or sea salt. No, it's just like a river or a lake water. Definitely big vanilla in here to make it smooth and sweet. The sweetness is come from vanilla, and the vanilla in here is done to perfection. Again, very nice, very sweet, very good quality, and it smells not very inviting and very alluring and very sexy. I can smell some woodiness in the backbone. At the moment they are in the background, but it's very clean wood, so it's sandalwood and cedarwood combination, just again to give it that base and lift everything up and keep going. The longevity on these ones are superb, or at least the ones I unboxed and reviewed. So far I never had Arabiyat Prestige line that is not almost, they're all either beast mode or almost beast mode, so very good performance. This one looks like the same category, is just filling the room at the moment. So apart from the berries, which I get some red berries, I get a little bit of stone fruit as well. It's like a peach or apricot feel to it as well. So it's either peach or apricot, but it is a stone fruit feel to it. So it opened up very sweet and very fruity, and little bit of citrus in it as well. But the citrus again, they get lost easy. I'm guessing it's a lemon and bergamot combination, because it got a little bit of lift in the beginning, a little bit of zestiness. But that cranberry is there, the berry is there, peach or apricot, very, very inviting, very sweet, very gourmand, very delicious. It just basically smells like a cake or an ice cream or a dessert. It's so good, so beautifully done. Similar to blueberry musk, the last time I reviewed it. That one was like a blueberry muffin, basically, just exactly like blueberry muffin. It was so beautifully done. I don't know how they managed to do these, because it's very difficult to imitate something that is not in nature, you know what I mean? Because you know, blueberry and cake and ice cream is just, you know, they're all man-made, and to come up with different notes and accords to make that to this quality is very difficult to do, but they're doing an amazing job. Okay, so that again, florals are there, definitely rose, definitely jasmine, and the base is woody, and also the vanilla. Overall is little bit of powderiness, little bit of dustiness to it as well. Very sexy, very alluring, very delicious, definitely unisex. But again, similar to blueberry musk, this one leans a little bit on the feminine side because of those fruity, sweet fruitiness, and also those florals. And also don't forget the musk. The musk is again in the base and is cuddling everything, but the musk in here is very clean again, giving it that clean feel and also very, very alluring feel. What a beauty. Again, similar to blueberry musk, which was a blueberry muffin, this one is a cranberry musk, which is like a cranberry ice cream or cranberry juice or cranberry cake or something in that vein. Very, very delicious, very gourmand. So you need to like your gourmand, you need to like your sweetness, and also you need to like little bit of trendy, not trendy, what I'm trying to say is a creative side of things. This is creative. As I said, the smell of cakes and ice cream, they are not in nature, so you have to be creative to come up with these things. And I love the creativity in these fragrances. They are doing a fantastic job. For me, they are very, very I won't say unusual, but they are on the niche side of things. Definitely smell niche, definitely smell much more than expensive than less than £40. This smells 3, 4, 5 times that. And the quality is superb. There's a balance, there's a good perfumery in here, the good ingredients, and straight to the perfume. No alcohol, no harshness, none of those nonsense. Very, very well done, and I absolutely loving it. So I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes for a first impression. I'll let you know in the next video the longevity, development, things like that. But if you like gourmand, if you like them sweet, especially for winter and autumn, goodness me, you cannot beat these. This one and the blueberry musk was fantastic. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. Oh, by the way, in terms of age, again, is ageless, from 15 to 100, because that gourmand feel to it. Anybody can wear it. In terms of occasion, again, definitely going out, special occasion, evening, formal occasion, and things like that, because it's very delicious and alluring. And in terms of sex, again, in the middle, targeted unisex, and it is correct, it is unisex, but it leans a little bit on the feminine side because of those sweet fruitiness and also those florals. But overall, absolutely, I happily wear this, no problem or whatsoever. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know, if you try it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, you motivate me to bring you fragrance like this in future. Nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, they are amazing value for money, and they smell great. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I'll make my own line of perfumes. They are true handmade perfumes. Nobody else is involved. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. And they are one of the highest quality ingredients in the world, from Persia, from Iran, from my country. And we don't produce that much of it, but we produce amazing quality. And I come up with these concoctions and this mixture of these oils and make perfumes that are out of this world. They are artistic, they are very unique, mesmerizingly beautiful, and very, very mysterious. Ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.